Welcome to Scented Palette. Today we are going to make chicken macaroni, loved by both adults and children. We will begin by boiling 400 grams of macaroni al dente. Wash with cold water to prevent it from sticking together. We will need these ingredients cut in square form: 2 onions, 2 tomatoes de-seeded, 2 capsicum, and 2 chicken breasts, all cut in square form. I am using frozen capsicum. Add a generous amount of cooking oil in a pan. Add onions and cook them, stirring continuously till they are translucent. Now add capsicum. I will thaw them a bit before adding chicken. Add chicken. Some salt to make a base for tasting other spices. Some black pepper. One teaspoon chili flakes. Let's see how much more time the chicken needs. 3/4 cup tomato ketchup. Fill the cup to the top with chili garlic sauce. Three teaspoons soya sauce. 1 teaspoon sriracha sauce. Taste test. Everything's fine, so let's add tomatoes. Half cup water. Now add salt according to your taste. Half a teaspoon turmeric. Turmeric is used for taste here. Check the chicken. It's fully cooked, so let's add the macaroni. Mix everything together. One final taste test. Let's plate up.